welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chanel here. You guys, I'm here with this wig, wig cap that was sent to me from Unice here, and I'm like gagging at the fact that, you know, these things are available. We're no longer in the 15th centuries anymore. Like, we can like put a cap on, put this wig cap on and go. The only place I wouldn't recommend wearing this is at the airport, because you know that they always like say take off your cap please, so wouldn't be a good idea. But the only thing I would wish the density was more, but apart from that it's good, and the hair on it is really soft and nice too, so you can even wear it like a ponytail too. Yeah, and go. That's it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. Remember to like the video, comment on the video. Bye, you guys. Bye.